carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey, Car Help Out here. You know I love talking cars, and today we're talking best mobile Kia mechanic auto car repair near me, independent car inspection, and certified roadside assistance. Whether you're a longtime Kia owner or just curious about these popular rides, you're in the right place. Now, Kias are good cars, I ain't gonna lie, but just like any car out there, they need their maintenance. Regular checkups and timely repairs can make a world of difference with Kiamechanicnearme. You got to keep up with it if you want them to last as long as they should. Neglecting maintenance can lead to bigger problems down the road, and nobody wants that. That's why I'm here to give you the lowdown on the most common Kia mechanic repairs we see out there in the field, and how you can avoid them with a little bit of care. Let me tell you, I've seen it all, from busted brakes to dead batteries, and even more complex issues like transmission problems. We're going to cover it all so you don't get stuck on the side of the road. Knowing what to look out for can save you a lot of headaches. Now, I know what you're thinking, Scotty. I don't want to be taking my car to the shop mechanic Kia every other week. It's a hassle and can get expensive. And you know what? I don't blame you. That's why it's important to know your options and make informed decisions. That's why we're talking about mobile mechanics today. Now, these professionals are changing the game by bringing their services directly to you as independent Kia mechanic. These guys and gals, they come to you wherever you are and fix your car on the spot. It's convenient and often more affordable. No more waiting around in some greasy waiting room. They bring the shop to you. You can relax at home or continue with your day while they handle the repairs. So buckle up, grab yourself a cold one, and let's dive into the world of Kia maintenance. We're going to make sure your ride stays smooth and reliable. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, let's talk brakes. They're one of the most crucial components of your vehicle, ensuring your safety and the safety of others on the road. You know those things that keep you from rear-ending that guy who slams on his brakes? Yeah, those are important. Without properly functioning brakes, you're putting yourself and others at risk. If you're hearing any squealing, grinding, or if your car pulls to one side when you brake, you got a problem. These are telltale signs that your brakes need attention. Now, most likely, it's just your brake pads wearing down. Brake pads are designed to wear out over time, but ignoring them can lead to bigger issues. That's a normal part of driving. Every time you hit the brakes, a little bit of the pad material wears away. But you gotta get those pads replaced before they wear down to the metal, or you're gonna be looking at some serious damage to your rotors. And once the rotors are damaged, the repair costs can skyrocket. And trust me, rotors ain't cheap. Replacing them can be a costly affair, so it's better to stay ahead of the game. A good mobile mechanic can come to you and swap out those brake pads in a jiffy. It's convenient and saves you the hassle of driving to a shop. They'll even check your rotors for any wear and tear and let you know if you need new ones. Regular inspections can prevent unexpected failures. And while they're at it, they'll check your brake fluid too. Brake fluid is essential for the hydraulic system to function properly. That stuff breaks down over time and can cause your brakes to get all mushy. Flushing and replacing old brake fluid can make a big difference in braking performance. Don't mess around with your brakes, folks. They're your first line of defense in avoiding accidents. Get them checked regularly and keep yourself safe out there on the road. Regular maintenance can save lives and keep your vehicle running smoothly.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Next up, let's talk about the heart of your Kia roadside assistance, the battery. Without a good battery, your car ain't going nowhere. And let me tell you, there's nothing worse than turning the key and hearing nothing but a click. Now, batteries don't last forever. They usually last about 3 to 5 years, depending on where you live and how you drive. If your battery's getting up there in age, it's probably a good idea to get it tested. A mobile mechanic roadside assistance for Kia can do that for you right in your driveway. And if your battery's dead, they can jumpstart your car and get you going again. But if your battery keeps dying on you, you might have a problem with your alternator. That's the thing that keeps your battery charged while you're driving. A bad alternator can drain your battery and leave you stranded. So if you're having battery problems, don't wait. Get it checked out by a mobile mechanic for Kia roadside assistance cost before you're stuck walking.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, let's talk about the lifeblood of your Kia, the oil. Just like you and me need blood to survive, your engine needs oil to keep running smooth. Oil lubricates all the moving parts in your engine and prevents them from wearing down too quickly. Now, I know some of you youngins think you can go 10,000 miles without an oil change, but let me tell you, that's just plain wrong. You see, over time, oil breaks down and gets dirty, and that dirty oil can't do its job as well. It's like trying to run a marathon after eating a whole pizza. It ain't gonna be pretty. So how often should you change your oil? Well, it depends on your Kia model and your driving habits, but a good rule of thumb is to change it every 3,000 miles, or every 3 months, whichever comes first. And when you do get your oil changed, make sure you're using the right type of oil for your Kia.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now let's talk about your Kia's suspension and steering. These are the parts that keep your ride smooth and make sure you can steer where you want to go. If your Kia's riding rough, or if you're having trouble steering, you got a problem. One common problem is worn out shocks or struts. These are the things that absorb the bumps in the road and keep your tires planted on the ground. When they wear out, your car will bounce around like a basketball, and you'll feel every bump in the road. Another common problem is worn out tie rod ends. These are the parts that connect your steering wheel to your front wheels. When they wear out, your steering will feel loose and your car might wander all over the road. A good mobile mechanic can inspect your suspension and steering and let you know if anything needs to be replaced. They can even do the repairs right there in your driveway.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, let's talk about staying comfortable in your Kia, no matter the weather. We're talking AC and heat. Now, there's nothing worse than being stuck in traffic on a hot summer day with a broken AC, or being caught in a snowstorm with a heater that blows nothing but cold air. One common AC problem is a low refrigerant charge. Refrigerant is the stuff that makes your AC cold. Over time, it can leak out, and when that happens, your AC won't be as cold as it should be. A mobile mechanic can come to you and recharge your AC system. As for your heater, a common problem is a malfunctioning thermostat. The thermostat is like the brain of your heating system. It tells the heater when to turn on and off. If it's not working properly, your heater might not turn on at all, or it might stay on all the time.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
There you have it, folks. We've covered a lot today. Those are some of the most common Kia repairs that mobile mechanics can handle. From brake issues to engine troubles, these pros have got you covered. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your Kia running smooth for years to come. Simple tasks like oil changes and tire rotations can make a huge difference. And if you do need repairs, don't wait. Addressing issues early can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Get it fixed right away. Procrastination can turn a minor issue into a major problem. Trust me, it's a lot cheaper to fix a small problem than to let it turn into a big one. A stitch in time saves 9, as they say. And when it comes to finding a good mobile mechanic, do your research. Read reviews, ask for recommendations, and check their credentials. Don't be afraid to shop around. Comparing different mechanics can help you find the best service at the best price. A little research can go a long way in ensuring that you're getting quality repairs at a fair price. Your car deserves the best care. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more car repair tips and advice. Your support means a lot. We can help you at Car Help Out Independent Certified Local Mobile Mechanic Service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Just phone a call away. We'll get your Kia running like new in no time. Our team is dedicated to providing top-notch service. Until next time, drive safe and keep those engines roaring. Your journey is just as important as your destination. Take care, everyone. Until next time, drive safe and keep those engines roaring.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.